station. Oh, it's a lot of traffic because the driver let me know it's like an event going on this weekend. So it's a lot of traffic. But as you see, I'm ready. Outfit is from Shein. I'll show you a better one when I'm setting up. We'll have a little poochie bleach, poochie pouch, put the. I don't have no fupa. Bitch, I'm skinny. I'll get it like that. But yeah, we're on the way. How you feel, Efrain? Oh, well, that's how he feels. I set a time, not a date, but a time. At 10 to 10:30. I'm late. It's like 12. It's about to be 12, but I'll still get on. But shit, this time change is really about to fuck up for me. It's like 3 hours, so shit. Jet lagged around this motherfucker. For sure. But I'm on the way. I'll be there.
Very close.
Yes.
Have you been in a cruise before?
Yes, I have. So I'm on the way, and I guess when I get on, I get back to you all. Because right now I'm just like trying to get it in a little bit, relax, just a little bit. Holla back. So like and subscribe, okay? Okay, so walking through to embarkation. Yeah, we just took a picture. So, oh, you know what was good? They took me out of the line because it was family time. So it was really good. That was good. That was cool. But right now, I'm just walking through to board the ship. Feels so good, huh? Feels so. I'm ready. This is the door. About to get up. So I gotta push through and do all this stuff. So what I'm gonna do is I'll come back to you all. Screenshot. Hey, so we made it. Yeah, we made it. Of course we made it, huh? I'm not believe that. Okay, so right now we're on the ship. You want to be on so bad, huh? You want to be on so bad, huh? But you can. I know you do. We made it. I love my jacket. It's even summertime vibe. So we made it, and so now we're on the Norwegian side, and we're waiting for our rooms. But we're in a dining hall, basically, but it's complimentary. But it's looking like 5-star. That's what it's giving, right? So So we're eating. My son's eating his hush puppies. I'm waiting for my risotto Primavera. So fine. See the backdrop. Oh, weird. Now we'll be home. But impartation was cool, and I'm feeling the vibe. It's looking real good. Just waiting for my room, and outside I had to basically give my give my bag to outside, but that's fine. Or I could have carried it along. I don't want to do that. That's it's a vibe. You know, the workers are so nice. Yeah. I like that. My son is learning. Eat the blanket. Eat that one. He's learning how to dip. Look.
Oh, sorry. Thank you.
So everything is good. And feeling great.
Yeah, she said,
Wait to see that room. And everything is good. So, yeah. Yes. This is gonna be exquisite. Right. Feeling it. Here, take a half of it. No, half. No, I don't want you. No, you can't have the whole thing. Stop. Look, you're about to act out. Look. Take baby out. This what you do? Look, he over here doing all kind of shit. Look, he didn't. Look, I ain't able to put him on. Stop. Anyway, I'm here. I'll put you back on, you know. So, you know what? Like, subscribe. And holla at me, honey. Because there'd be a lot of y'all looking at me. But you motherfuckers do not be subscribing. Why look at me if you don't want to, like, subscribe? Don't just keep looking at me. There's thousands and thousands of y'all. Because I look at my analytics. But that doesn't equate to my subscribers. You know what? If you want to support me, you need to like and subscribe. Get engaged. Share the channel. But I'm outside, so I'm going to be outside all weekend long. So stay tuned. Honey, the shit is on the way. Content on the way. Bye.
I was going to end the video, but instead, I'll take you to my room.
Made it to the room. We in the room. My little room. So, let's give you a little tour about it. Not much, you know, just a little something. Look at Duke. And then this is, we have not poured it yet. We went to eat lunch. the bed, a view, little shelves over here, both sides, which is cool. Okay, artwork, couch, and then the TV. Oh, and then, oh, who is that? That me. And then we have the closet. Okay. Oh, and I have to wait for my bags, just so you know. Another little closet space, safe. Of course, the TV, which is cool. And then the bathroom. Toilet, shower. Hi. And then that's it for the little tour room. Okay. I'm gonna put this in the short. So this will be. Oh, they got hooks. All right, so here, waiting for my bags now, and then I'll get back to the vlogging. But I'm about to lay down for a bit. I'll be outside on the deck when it's time for the little party. Right now, I'm about to chill and do me. I'm gonna do me. Efren. 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 Say bye-bye. Efren. Say bye-bye. Efren, say bye. Say bye, Boyka. Say bye-bye. Look at Doug. Say bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
I mean, we might need like at least 100 for us to get the Adrian, pleasure meeting you. I'll see you soon. Yes, sir. No problem. Thank you. You went there, didn't you?
You wish. Not happening. Hey, stop. Efren. Big ass. Hey. Efren. Shut up. What? Get up. Get up. No, you're not on there.
You pay the entrance and you can go inside. Because that is separate.
Get up. Stop. That's like one. Ooh, stop. Get up.
Start one, reverse? No.
There's Diane. Diane!